Welcome back to another unboxing on Real Bike Stories. Today we're going to be having a look at the Oxford Halo LED number plate bolts. They come in a packet of 2. Let's get it open. So the Oxford Halo bolts are part of the iShot LED lighting range from Oxford. They are 2 number plate LED bolts. They boast low power consumption with a diameter of 12mm and a bolt length of 14mm and claim to be easy to install. Let's slide the packet open and have a look. So straight away we can see we've got the 2 LED bolts with the nuts already attached, and we have the wires that run down that you will obviously need to connect to your power supply. Let's untwist this and separate them off. There we are. So you have a standard positive and negative feed that you can wire into your existing wiring loom. So the housing of the number plate bolt is made from metal, and it's finished in a beautiful gloss black design. You've got the Creed LED in there, and as with all Oxford products, it feels like it's made of good quality. There's no snag on the wires. It's a really nice finished product, and it's got a lovely massive Creed LED. The number plate bolts retail for $14.99 and are available at all Oxford stockists, and they come with the Oxford products code OX111. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, why not hit the subscribe button and then the bell icon to get notified of the latest videos and exclusive content from our channel.